Good afternoon, Miss Melissa. This is Raylene Palomar from BSIS 404, and today I will going to create the final challenge number 1. This is to display 4 to 8 lines of your favorite song lyrics. So the first one, we need just to click the Arduino Uno R3, or we just need to get the Arduino Uno R3. And then the next one is we just need to get the breadboard. Okay lang kahit small or yung mahabang breadboard. The next one is the LCD. So let's get this LCD right here. Excuse me. We just need to click the VCF8574 base to set up our LCD. So, start na tayo sa mag-connect ng wires. The first thing that we need to connect is the 5V. So the 5V goes here. One second. Okay. Let me just fix this one. The 5V goes here. Okay, let me change the color. Let's do this one red. The next one naman is, let's connect the A4 to SDA. Oop. Let's do it as orange. And then the A5, let's connect this one to SCO. And let's do this one like color maybe green. Yeah, that's perfect. The next one is, we just need to connect this one to GND right here. Okay, let's do this a few. And then this one goes here in this. Let's do this one pink. And this one goes here to GND. Let's do the color for this one as brown. Okay. Okay, so next one is, let's do the code for this activity. Let's delete this one, and then paste. And then let's start the simulation. Okay, as you can see po, Miss Melissa, my favorite line or the favorite lyrics has already showing on the LCD that is entitled Need You Now by Lady A. That's all. Thank you.